In this video, we are going to be discussing the HTML video tag. As the name implies, this element is used to display videos on a web page. Before I get into it though, there are other ways of adding video content to your site, like uploading a video to YouTube, then taking a link and embedding it into your web page. These services can handle formatting and file type conversion without any hassle. If you wanted to manage it yourself though, this is what we'll be talking about today. The video tag has an opening and closing tag. Let's just get rid of the source attribute for now. So I'm just going to define a width and height of 200. Alright. Now if you go in between these two tags over here, you can add a source tag as well. This is a self and closing tag, and this is where you'll actually enter your source for your video. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So your video should appear right here. But now before we do anything else, the thing you have to remember is that you should always add another attribute known as type over here. So this type attribute helps the browser know what type of format we're working with. So we're just going to type video and then MP4. Then we can control S that. Nothing will really change, but it should just help the browser identify what video we're playing. This helps the browser know what video type is supported by it and plays that only. What I mean by this is that once you have created different types of formats for your video, we can add it here. Like for example, we can add another source tag and then we'll just choose the same video, but now let's say it's a different file type. We just go in here and then type video and then OGG. Now I've got another different file type. Now let's say the user is using a browser that doesn't support any of these file types, so you can go right in here and then type, your browser does not support this video type. And then if they can't load any of the file types, this is what's going to be shown to them. Right now the video is just sitting there, it won't really do anything. So you can add a controls attribute and control S, and now this should add controls around your video player so that the user can either adjust the volume or play it specifically when they want to. One nice thing that you can have as a fallback option is you can add a poster for this video. So let's say for whatever reason the video does not load or the link is broken. You can add a poster attribute and then add an image over here. So this image could be any frame in the video itself so that the user can actually see it as well over here instead of seeing a blank page. Lastly, you can autoplay your videos once the user is loaded into your site. Just know that most browsers don't allow you to autoplay without the user specifically starting the video themselves. The only way the autoplay can work in your website is if you add a muted attribute as well. So if you go right here, you can type autoplay and then muted. This is allowed and most browsers will play the video. As you can see, it's playing right now. With that though, I think that should be about it when it comes to the video tag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it. I'll see you guys in the next one.